Right, so this is my Proxxon IBS/E. I bought it to replace my Dremel 4000, which got hot and smoked, so it was knackered. I've had quite a few different multi-tools over the years, cheaper ones than the Dremel. I bought the Dremel figuring it's going to be a decent tool. It kind of was, but it always got hot, even when under light load or no load, it got hot. As long as it was on, it got hot. So this was one of the points that I learnt, that this one doesn't get hot. I run it on full load, full speed, on load for a while, and it gets a little bit warm, and that's it. So you don't get all these tools in the box. You get about 20 little ones here. I've added more in there because I had a Dremel. I obviously had more. You get these here, you get all these different collets. I'm not too keen on separate collets, but this is supposed to be hardened steel, so I guess if you're using it a lot, I reckon this is probably better than those adjustable ones. And this, you get this out of the box, unlike a Dremel where you have to buy a Dremel specific chuck, and it's a different thread to all the other ones, so you have to buy the Dremel one. So I don't have to buy it. How long these will last, I'm not sure, but I think they will last a long time because they seem very well made and they're supposed to be hardened steel. So what I do like about this is when you've got it on the minimum speed, unlike the Dremel felt like it was going to stall all the time when it was on the low speed. Now listen to this. That to me sounds like it's running at the lower speed and it's steady. It's not a problem. And then if you turn it right up to maximum, there's no vibration on it whatsoever, so it won't jump around the desk like my Dremel used to do. It seems very well made. I was recommended this by more than 3 people because I said my Dremel was knackered and they said get a Proxxon, so I looked them up and they seem to be the ones to go for. I got enough space in the box so I can fit this, I can fit all these, I can fit all my extras that I had with my Dremel. I can fit it all in there and close the box, which is good. Because the Dremel come with like this bag thing. It was okay, it did the job, but I don't know how long this is going to last, but it seems pretty solid. It doesn't seem like it's flimsy, so hopefully it'll last. So yeah, you get all these bits, like I said. This tray will come out if you need it to, same as this one. These will not fall out when you closed it and hold it by the handle side. I've already checked that they won't fall out. This is in there as well. I'm a bit thingy because if you look here, there's a lot of empty space under that, which to me it would have been better if maybe this was lower and it actually, you could utilize that space in there, because at the moment you can't see it obviously because it's molded, but there's empty space in there. Doesn't look like this thing comes out, so yeah, could have had a bit more space, but you know, it's alright, it's good. Comes with the a nice flexible power cord on it. The Dremel one was a bit stiffer. This one seems more flexible, so it'll be easier. You're not fighting with it. You got your button there for lock in the chuck, and then obviously you can use a spanner to do that. I won't show it in use because I'm sure there's plenty of videos of that sort of thing on online, but yeah, I'm impressed with it so far. I mean, how long is it going to last? I think it will last me longer than the Dremel, going by how it feels compared to what the Dremel felt like. Even when the Dremel was new, it kind of felt the same. So yeah, I mean, if you want to replace a Dremel 4000 or anything like that, definitely consider one of these. Again, it's a Proxxon IBS/E. It's the top of the line model. You can find them on eBay, Amazon, etc.